Hey guys, today we're going to be flying my drone again. It's a bit windy, it's not raining today, that's a good thing. We're going to see what happens. We're going to try and find someone to annoy with my drone. Let's just get right into it. Right in front of me there's some birds. We've got a bit of connection disturbance right here. We're going to go in sports mode and we're going to try and hit those birds. Come on, hit it! Oh. Okay, away! Wow, you've got to watch out with the sun glare on these phones because you don't know if you're going to hit a tree or not. Alright, let's go, let's try to find someone. We're going about 30 miles an hour right now. We're hitting wind. Let's look for someone. We found someone. Yes, mate. He's gone inside of his home right now. Let's wait until he gets out. Fly away, pretend we're going somewhere else. Come out, wherever you are. Need a swig of my beer. As we can see, he's come out of his home. I don't think he's really happy at the moment. Oh, he's definitely not happy. Let's go up. Let's scare him. You know, when you fly up really fast, it makes a lot of noise. Go down like that. Full throttle up. This poor man, right? Let's see where we are. Okay. I don't think he's too pleased. I think he's run inside. Maybe we'll come back to him. Let's go and find someone else. Ooh, this car's pretty fast, right? Wow. You're going about 17 miles an hour. Yeah. Alright, let's go over here. Let's go and annoy that dog walker over there. Whoa. Gimbal shake. Oh, shaking error. That's the first time I've ever had that error. We're quite low here. If I go any lower, we will lose connection. Oh, he's definitely not happy. I'm here. It's very windy. It's very windy. Oh, he can see me. I don't want to annoy him because he's got a ball and I'm scared that he might throw it at the drone. Imagine that. So yeah. The wind is trying to push my drone to the side. Like, he's got a ball as well. I don't want to play with people that have got balls. Really don't. Let's go speedy. Look at the speed, man. Look at this. We're going about 40 miles an hour. Let's go straight back to this man's house. Let's see if he's there. Woo, yeah, baby. Oh, he's mad about that. You can tell. You can tell he's not very happy about that. Right, let's gain height a little bit. He's got a bucket. I think he's a plasterer. He's a hard-working man, let's just say that. Unlike me. Yeah, he's going back in his house. Okay, we're about 80 foot then. 80 foot with connectivity. Let's go and... we don't want to crash into a church or anything like that, so let's just look around. That was a bit... Have a look at this guy, yeah. Oh, weak signal. Oh, pull up, pull up. Right, the wind is definitely coming straight towards me. Okay, we're picking up speed, that's a good thing. Go over to these houses over here. Let's see what they've got. Let's go some high speed, yeah. We're gonna go straight. Oh, there we go. Losing connection again. I'm gonna have to go back. Oh, I don't like it. Oh, it's scary. That's very scary when you lose connection like that. Look at that. The wind is going directly at my drone. I don't think I'm going to be able to go back. Look at that. It will not go past 5 miles an hour. Let's go to sports mode again. Okay, picking up the speed. Wow, what's happening to my drone right now? Wow, I don't think I'm going to be able to get back. Really? Okay, we're picking up the speed now. It's a nice day. I want to go and see that guy. I really want to know what he's doing. I know he's just doing his work and that, but you know, I'd like to know exactly what he's doing. Wow, we're quite far. Oh no, no. Where are we? Okay, I know where we are. Right, we're on 20. Okay, that's it. We've got to get back home. Look at the battery. It took so much battery out of that, it's unreal. Okay, let's get a flyby. Woo! Okay. I think that was a fun flight, I think. Let's get this baby landed. Well, that was a very short flight. We're in the same position that we was in the last video. And now it's time to get out of here. I don't want anybody to see me. Wow. It's so hard getting through all this forest, you know. Oh my god, I'm dead, you know. I'm dead. It was so difficult getting through all that then. Oh man. Right, it's time to go down this hill and get out of here, I think. Let's go. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video, okay? See you in a bit, guys.